Welcome to the 2022 MakeX Robotics Competition. MakeX Explorer Eco Pioneer. MakeX Explorer is a confrontational competition program. The competition is held between the red and the blue alliances. Each alliance consists of 2 teams, and they must cooperate to complete certain missions. The size of the map in the Eco Pioneer arena is 2,317 millimeters by 2,357 millimeters, and it is divided into red and blue sides. Robots of both sides can only operate within their own side of the arena. The size of the robot shall conform to technical requirements. The maximum size of the robot shall be 320 millimeters by 320 millimeters by 360 millimeters in length, width, and height. There are 4 starting areas in the arena. Robots start the match from their respective starting areas. The whole match lasts 240 seconds, which consists of an automatic stage and a manual stage. The automatic stage lasts for 30 seconds, and the manual stage lasts for 210 seconds. When the automatic stage begins, robots can score through the following actions. 1. Within your own alliance side, make the yellow cubes on the manufacturing area enter device area. Each yellow cube is worth 40 points. 2. Within your own alliance side, there are yellow balls and a green ball. The robot needs to transport the yellow balls and a green ball from the manufacturing area to the conversion area on the opponent's side. A yellow ball is worth 30 points and a green ball is worth 60 points. The manual stage begins after the automatic stage. Robots can score through the following actions. 1. Make the yellow cubes on your side or central area enter your own device area. 2. Transfer the yellow and green balls on your own side or central area to the conversion area on the opponent's side. 3. With your own alliance side, the robot can insert the flag into the own max cylinder. Each flag is worth 50 points. At the end of the match, robots on both sides shall stop immediately. The final score will be calculated. The alliance with higher points wins. Welcome to the 2022 MakeX Explorer Eco Pioneer.